Hey there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you, and a classic oldie from the band called The Cult and a song called She Sells Sanctuary. This is the first part of my 2 or 3 part lessons on this song. I think it's probably 2 parts I'm going to be doing this, okay. This is to do with the intro section, okay. So, standard tuning, no capos as you can see, and this song really revolves around most of the time on just 2 strings. The 4th string and the 3rd string. Okay, now obviously this is a stripped down version, okay, no fancy effects on this. Obviously on the record there's an echo going on and there's some sort of phasing or chorusing going on as well. Okay, so this is a really stripped down version, so you can see exactly what's going on as well. So I'm not playing with a load of echoes and stuff. Okay, so we're starting off first line. I'll show you the different lines. Okay, so this is line 1. Okay, so what am I doing there? So I'm basically hitting the 4th string open and then hitting the 3rd string, and the 3rd string goes 14th fret 3rd string, okay, to 12, to 11, to 7. So it's 14, 12, 11, 7, and you hit the 4th string first. Okay, so it's alright, 4th string, 3rd string, 4th string, 3rd string. Okay, got that? Okay, next bit is you hit the 4th string again and you do this. Sorry. So you hit the 4th string and you do 3 hammer ups from 5 to 7 on the 3rd string, okay, the G string. Got that? So now we've got this. Okay, so after you've done your 3 hammers, you hit the 4th string again and then hit the 3rd string on the 7th fret. So you go, and you slide that down to the 2nd fret on the 3rd string and hit the 4th string first and then the 2nd on the 3rd. Okay, so now you've got this. Very slowly. Okay, now the next line. Again, you can start on the open 4th string and the 14th fret of the 3rd, 4th, and then the open 4th again and the 12th on the 3rd, just like you did to start with before. But now it changes. Okay, so you go 14 on the 3rd, 12 on the 3rd, then we go up to 16 on the 3rd. Right, so it goes, and each time you hit the 4th string first, and then back to 14. So it's open 4th, 14th on the 3rd, open 4th, 12th on the 3rd, open 4th, 16 on the 3rd, open 4th, 14 on the 3rd. Then you do the open 4th again, and then you do, like you did here, you do hammers up 3 times from 12 to 14 on the 3rd. Got that? So now we've got slowly. And then you do open 4th to 14 on the 3rd. So after that, you open 4th, 14 on the 3rd, back to the open 4th, and you finish up on the 15th fret of the B string, the 2nd string. Okay, so that whole second phrase is ending on that 15 on the second there. Okay, so first two phrases together very slowly. Okay, once again, very, very slowly, even slower probably. Here we go. Obviously use whichever finger is more suitable for yourself, okay? I'm not saying mine fingering is correct, whichever is more suitable for yourself, okay? So that's the first two phrases, and then the next one is basically two strings together. It's not fourth string, third string, it's two strings together, and it's like so it's a fourth string and the third string together. And what you do is you start with the again 14th of the third. So it's, I'll show you the third string on its own, okay? 14 on the third, 12 on the third, 11 on the third, so good. Then you go back to the 12, right, so let's do it again. 14, 12, 11, back to 12, and then a quick back to 11. So it's okay, and you play that along with the open fourth. Okay, so and then you move it this third string down to the 7th fret on the third string along with the open fourth. So we go. So and you put very micro pause and you hit that one again. That's 7th on the third and the open fourth, okay? And then move the third string down to the 5th fret. And then back to the 7th. Then down to the 2nd on the 3rd. Okay, so it's second on the 3rd with the open fourth, okay? And finally, it's you go back up to the 12th on the 3rd and the open fourth to 11th. Down to 11, so it's 11 on the 3rd, 12 on the 11th, 12 on the 3rd to 11 on the 3rd. Back to the 7th. 2 hits on that, 7 on the 3rd with the open fourth. Okay, so it's that slowly. And that's the intro really. After that it goes into the sort of chord chunk, and that's basically the 4th string and the 3rd string together with the 3rd string on the 7th fret, and you can sort of palm mute it, or then you move that 3rd string down to the 5th fret, then up to the 12th fret, all on the 3rd. As far as we've got into the song, okay? So the whole thing, so that was all, that just was 7 on the 3rd, 5th on the 3rd, 12 on the 3rd, along with the open fourth, okay? So the whole thing, normalish speed, okay? Right, that's as far as I'll go for today. There's enough in there to keep you busy for a few hours, I'm sure. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that, and we're back for part 2 at a later date. Bye for now.